It's scary, but we had to change too. I mean, times are changing.
Oh, it's crazy. Like if you think about where we were a year ago versus where we are now,
and it's not about, taking our jobs or anything like that. Using it to deliver the best customer service and patient care.
WVC has been incredible. Love the location. The highlight of my career.
Absolutely love it, love it, love it.
Hey everybody, Dr. Tony Pease here at WVC Las Vegas 2026, and I have my buddy, Dr. Z. I haven't seen you for a year, but gosh, your content is always on point, and you are nice enough to talk about AI and practice management. How'd that go?
Yeah, I mean, it's really, really, really great. I would just want to educate a lot of veterinary practices out there, veterinary practice owners that are a little bit apprehensive about implementing AI into their practices. I mean, times are changing. It's scary, but we had to change too. And if we can bring better, client customer service through automations, of course, vetted through, our staff,
right? Even
better, okay? And it's not about, taking our jobs or anything like that, but it's really using it to deliver the best customer service and patient care.
Oh, I mean, it's so funny. As a radiologist, that's always the question, right? But it's augmented. It's basically how can it help me be more efficient, not how is it going to replace my staff.
Exactly.
And so it's amazing. But what is it that you like about coming back to WVC or so great to keep seeing you?
No, honestly, I love it. AI is one of the new things that I'm learning at this conference and this year. So every year when I go to conferences like WVC, okay, and we have Nashville coming too, I can't wait to see what's new in AI and what can help, pain points that we're seeing in veterinary practices that we can really address in an easy way.
Oh, it's crazy. Like if you think about where we were a year ago versus where we are now, but honestly, this forum to be able to talk to so many people and kind of get them to be more comfortable with this technology and just all the different things you have, and plus with the exhibit hall and things of that nature, it's pretty amazing. But you mentioned Nashville, that's right. August 15th through 18th, it's going to be amazing. But what are you looking forward to about Nashville?
Man, I'm ready to see the area, the convention hall, the exhibit hall, what's new. I've never been to Nashville in my life.
Oh, you're going to love it.
I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to see what you guys have there and any new updates in VetMed. Last year, this wasn't even a conversation when it comes to AI. Right. What's next? What's the next conversation we can have with practice owners and practice managers? I'm excited to see what's next.
Yeah, we're going to pull out all the stops. A lot of people are sort of like, oh gosh, I went to WVC Vegas. I don't need to go to WVC Nashville. It's going to be completely different. It's all the things you know and love about Vegas, but in a Nashville twang. So it's going to be amazing.
Hey, let's go. I'm excited. I'm hyped.
So we look forward to seeing you. Thanks so much for being here.
For sure.
And it's always great to catch up.
It's always good to see you, man.
All right. Take care.